Our Lady of Lourdes, prayer for healing. O ever immaculate Virgin, Mother of mercy, health of the sick, refuge of sinners, comforter of the afflicted, you know my wants, my troubles, my sufferings. Look with mercy on me. By appearing in the grotto of Lourdes, you were pleased to make it a privileged sanctuary where you dispense your favors and where many sufferers have obtained the cure of their infirmities, both spiritual and corporal. I come, therefore, with unbounded confidence to implore your maternal intercession. Obtain, O loving Mother, the grant of my requests. Mention your petition. Through gratitude for your favors, I will endeavor to imitate your virtues, that I may one day share your glory. Amen.